Good morning. Here we are, Sunday morning. AT therapy, rain or shine. Gonna try and knock out 15 miles from Riverbend Park to Hobe Beach. So I'm gonna get wet, that's for sure, but it's all in the making of a good experience. Chat soon. Alright, so here's ocean to lake. This creek is actually the trail. And as you can see, whew, gotta be careful. Whoa, got a lot of sinkholes. And hiker hungers, trekking poles work great for this. Now I gotta put my camera away so I can try using them. To be continued. Okay, so this is what Ocean and Lake has to offer me at Jonathan Dickinson. Basically been all underwater. Alright, so here's Kitchen Creek Bridge. I had to go through there to get to this. And as usual, butt cheek deep. Definitely butt cheek deep. But still moving. Happy that this bridge is here. Couldn't imagine how deep this would be if I didn't have this floating bridge. Let's get across this thing. And more of the trail to be continued. Alright, so I'm finally out of the water. Thanks to the Florida Trail Association for building my little wooden bridge here. I can tell you right now, my legs aren't complaining. We're on the east side of Jonathan Dickinson, about 2.5–3 miles away from A1A. So still planning on getting to Hobe Beach. Time allows, the body allows it, we'll see. So here we go, folks. Back into the mix. To be continued. Yep. That would be more water. Embrace the suck. Okay, here we go. A little taste of the east side of Jonathan Dickinson. The sand dunes. We got a little incline-decline action. Okay. It's official. Hobe Beach. Ocean to Lake, River.